The hand puppet as an educational tool. Get more insight in children and make learning more fun. A book by Helen Meurs. Discover the educational benefits of using hand puppets to stimulate a child's mind and encourage them to better express and challenge themselves in life. With over 25 years of experience, author, educator, and hand puppet coach Helen Meurs guides you through the process of introducing the use of hand puppets to your educational arsenal. The hand puppet as an educational tool is filled with step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and teaching exercises, allowing you to create a safe space for children to grow and learn in a way that best suits them. In this early childhood education book, you will learn why children respond so well to hand puppets, how to make a hand puppet an educational tool, which hand puppet styles work the best and why, all the different lessons you can teach with hand puppets, how to correctly handle the puppet, how to introduce your puppet to your class, and more. Whether you're a teacher looking for a way to connect better with your students or a parent wanting to bring your child out of their shell, the hand puppet as an educational tool will give you the confidence and know-how to make puppets into excellent educational assistants and help you for years to come. The hand puppet as an educational tool is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.